Hi everyone, Glen here. I'm the owner of the Life Coaching College. And what if in just 10 questions, I could help you get some clarity about an area of your life? Well, that is what we're going to do. This is the exact same session that we teach all 5,000 of our current graduates. And it's one of hundreds of different things that we will teach you, but it's one of my favorites. So we're going to do the Grow Model coaching session. The rules of engagement. I'm going to ask you a question. You're going to pause me. Then you're going to come up with the answer. Maybe you'll say it out loud. Maybe you'll think it in your head. Maybe you'll write it down. We're going to do that with 10 questions, and I'm going to help you get some clarity around one area of your life. So, without any further ado, let's see if we can get ourselves to the page that we need. Here we are. Welcome to the Grow Model. Here it is. All right. So, what does it stand for? G for goals, R for reality, O for options, W for way forward. Sometimes it's will you, but that's basically the model. And we're going to go through that, like I said, rapid fire tonight or today, just in 10 questions. So, we're going to start with goals. This is the exciting thing. I want you to think of an area of your life that could use a little tweak or maybe a big tweak, but something that you're going to think about for the next 9 questions. Have that area in your mind now, or the thing that you want to work on. Maybe it is a relationship that you've got, or it's an issue at work, whatever it is, have that. Now, I want to ask you, what about this part of your life drives you to want to improve it? Write that down. And if you had to describe the outcome that you desire, what would that be? So we're still in the goals, trying to work out your goals right now. What is it that you want? What do you want to work towards? And now we're going to slip into reality. What is it about this situation that shows that it's an area that needs work? What about this current situation shows that it's an area that needs work? Another reality question for you. What is the secondary gain that you're getting? That is, what are you getting from keeping this thing as it is currently? And just to give you a little hint, there is definitely something. You're getting something. All right, another reality question. What are your beliefs in relation to achieving this goal? What are your beliefs in relation to achieving this goal? And are those beliefs going to serve and support you? All right, so I've done goals, done reality. I'm going to slip into options. List as many options or possibilities as you can for how you could move closer to your goal. List them all down. Press pause. Go on. Press pause. Write all those down. Now, what would you do right now if you knew it was impossible to fail? What would you do right now if you knew it was impossible to fail? Love that question. Still in options. But now we're in way forward. Which of all those options that you wrote down are truly going to bring you forward? And when will you take them? So now we're looking at, what are you going to do? There's all the things. What are you going to do? Which one or which ones will you take? And when will you take them? So put a date there for me. Last one. How will you celebrate once this is completed? And how will you choose to acknowledge yourself? So we started with a goal, and then we had the current reality, and looked at all the different options that you have to move forward. And then you picked the ones that you're going to do, and you set a date for when you're going to do it. Goals, reality, options, way forward. And now we're working out how you're going to celebrate. Guys, that is the simplest, cleanest, clearest, quickest way that I can think of to show you a really basic introduction to coaching. So that's the Grow model. It's a lovely model, and it's just one of hundreds of different things that we teach our guys. But I hope that you've enjoyed it, and I hope it's given you some clarity about one area of your life that you wanted to maybe do a little bit of work on. All right, that's me, Glen Murdoch. I will see you next time. Bye for now.